I hope you are doing great. So as you can see, our sales is currently ongoing. So a quick advice from us to you, in case you're a farmer out there and you're about selling your fishes, please and please and please don't sell fishes under pressure. Don't let any buyer pressurize you to sell your fish at an outrageous prices. At first, these buyers are not even willing to pay the amount you intend selling. So they get into your farm and start changing minds. Please and please make sure you stand your ground. Make sure you stand your ground. If buyers come into your farm after picking fishes they want, please, the unwanted fishes, put it back into your pond. Another buyers will come in to buy them. One man's food, they say, is another man's poison. Please and please don't sell fishes under pressure, because these buyers, they come in different forms. So again, don't sell fish under pressure. So that will be that for today. In case you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page, and if you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.